What should I do if the firmware update fails on my Chromecast?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to talk about what you should do if the firmware update fails on your Chromecast. Firmware updates are important for keeping your Chromecast working smoothly with the latest features, but sometimes, you might encounter some hiccups. Don't worry, we've got you covered.
What causes firmware update failure?
Understanding the root cause of a problem is the first step in finding a solution. Firmware update failure on your Chromecast can be due to a variety of reasons, including an unstable internet connection, problems with the Google Home app, or issues with the Chromecast device itself.
How do I troubleshoot internet connection issues?
The first thing to check is your internet connection, since this is the most common cause of firmware update failures. Ensure your Chromecast is within range of your Wi-Fi router and that you have a stable internet connection. If other devices are experiencing connection issues as well, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider.
What to do with the Google Home app?
If your internet connection is fine, the next step is to check the Google Home app. Ensure you have the latest version of the app. If the problem persists, try clearing the cache and data for the Google Home app. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the app.
How to reset Chromecast device?
If the above steps didn't work, it's time to check your Chromecast device. A simple reset might do the trick. Factory resetting your Chromecast will erase all data and you will need to set it up again as if it were new. To do this, press and hold the button on your Chromecast for about 25 seconds or until the solid light begins to flash. We hope this video helps you troubleshoot and resolve any firmware update failures you're experiencing with your Chromecast. Remember to check your internet connection, the Google Home app, and finally, consider a factory reset of the Chromecast device itself if all else fails. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to Google support. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!